Hello and welcome to another Alert Wave analysis. So today I want to talk about the S&P 500, right? So this is using the Oanda CFD, right? So before we start on this analysis, let me go back to where I have previously done this S&P 500. It was quite long ago, so about 2 months ago on 20th of March, right, where I mentioned that you should be preparing to short the S&P 500. It's also using the ONS CFD, right? So that then it was based on two Fibonacci levels, right? And I was expecting a potential ending diagonal setup. So at that point in time, I believe the analysis was at 5228 to short this index, right? So what has happened since then, if we just follow this movement, is that it has actually breached this target by around 43 points, right? If we continue playing some more, right, maybe even 5 to 8, yeah, so, around there. So then before it comes down, right? So um so this is what happened since the last analysis, and I haven't been updating this for a while. So this is the new count that I have for S&P 500. Okay, so over here, if you look, we go back to where I did the analysis around here. So I was expecting 5228 somewhere around here, right? So it has gone down and it has come out. So how does this wave count look like now? On the big picture, right, starting from October 2022, right, this is how I had drawn the alert wave count. So this did not change over the last 2 months, which means this is still the first wave, second wave, third wave, and the fourth wave, right? And the interesting thing that I want to reiterate over here is that this wave four is a triangle and it ended nicely on the end of wave one, right? So this is the main reason. These two reasons, right? The triangle and this ending here is the main reason why this is a wave one, and this is a wave three, and this is a wave four. So over here, based on this count, we have a fifth wave extension, and this fifth wave extension starts since last year October, where we have this wave one, a very short wave two, wave three, wave four, and now we have seen the end of wave five a few days back, right? Just last week. So going into details on this wave count, right? You can see that this wave three is actually one that is quite a mess, right? In the sense that how it was drawn, because I have drawn this green color wave counts, right, to show exactly how I think this wave tree uh, has been formed, right? So over here you see that you have one, what follow the blue line, right? One, two, three, four, and five. So this is the wave tree, and it follows these blue channels, right? So the analysis on how this all this subwave comes about, right? It's also following the RSI, right? So when the RSI is at a overbought situation, that's usually where the wave tree is, right? So following this how I chart out this entire wave tree, and then we have this wave four, and finally this wave five, which is what we are really concerned about, right? So over here, similarly, one, two, three, four, five, and note that the tree always comes with overbought, right? Over here, you can also see a wave tree will have this overbought, and similarly for here, right? So but over here, really, what we want to see is whether there's any Fibonacci relationship over here, right? Unfortunately, there isn't really a relationship between all the three waves, right? except for this wave 4, where you can see that it is around 0.786 of wave 1, right? And definitely wave 3 is definitely longer than wave 1, so it's not the shortest wave. So this count itself actually fulfills the rules of Elliott wave, right? So over here is really an attempt to capture the top of S&P, right? Whether S&P will go out further or not, that's not really our concern. Our concern is really mainly on the risk reward ratio, right? So if I have to do a short position over here, let me just put it where this one is, right? Clearly you will have to be above the 24th May high, right? And we can set the target to be more aggressive, which is at the end of the previous wave 4, right? Take note that if we breach to the upside, right, it could also mean that wave 5 itself will extend into another wave 3, which is a very strong up move. So um, keep it tight, keep your stop tight, and good luck in your trading. So over here, before I end, let me just put in this marker, right? So this is the first target. After which, right, where is the next target is will be, I would say we can do somewhere here, and then somewhere here, which is where the wave 2 ends, right? So these are our next two target. The first one is here, right? So good luck in your trading. And always thank you for listening to this analysis. Thank you.